is Dr. Leila Coulter. I am a chiropractor at Healthy Families Wellness Center. With advanced training in pediatric chiropractic care, I treat a lot of children in my practice. Many parents ask me why children would need chiropractic care. Well, if you have children, you know how often they fall. If you look at your toddler learning to walk and eventually run, or the falls off of chairs, beds, couches, to falls downstairs or off of playground equipment, well, as you know, there is really no other group of the population who spends as much time falling as our kids do. These falls can cause spinal misalignments, which is why it's a great idea to have your child's spine checked by a chiropractor. Not only is chiropractic care excellent for treating common childhood concerns like headaches, back pain, and leg or growing pains, but chiropractic care will also help a child's spine, nervous system, and immune system to work at its best. This can translate into fewer sicknesses, improved coordination, and improved athletic performance. I know that many parents are unsure of what a chiropractic treatment would look like for a child, which is why I wanted to do this video, to show you what a typical chiropractic treatment looks like for a child at our clinic.